In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Hostinger subscription and get a refund. Let's get started. First, you'll need to head over to the Hostinger website. Open up your browser and type in the URL. Once there, you'll type the word refund into the search bar. After hitting enter, you'll be directed to a section where you need to click on how to get a refund at Hostinger. This will provide an overview of the refund process so you have a clear understanding of the next steps. Before you proceed, an important step is ensuring that all your data, including files, databases, and emails, are backed up. When you submit a refund request, these will be deleted permanently, so it's crucial to download any necessary data beforehand. Hostinger provides guidance on downloading backups of files, databases, and emails, which you might want to explore if you're unsure how to do so. Once you've secured all necessary data, go to your H-Panel dashboard where you'll find a list of invoices from the last 30 days. Look for the invoice associated with the service you wish to cancel. If it's eligible for a refund button will be visible next to it. If you have auto renewal enabled for this service, you can choose to disable it before proceeding with the refund. Keep in mind that if there is no refund button, it means this invoice doesn't qualify for a refund according to Hostinger's refund policy. Next, you'll need to confirm the refundable services by marking the checkbox, indicating that you understand the data will be permanently lost upon cancellation. Afterwards, proceed by clicking Next. At this point, you're almost there. The next decision is about how you would like your refund issued. There are two options: either back to your Hostinger balance or to your original payment method. Choosing the Hostinger balance allows for instant refunds which can be used for future purchases on Hostinger. However, these are not reversible. If you opt for the original payment method, refunds can take longer, varying from a few hours to several business days, depending on the method used. Once you've made your choice, click Next. Finally, review the refund details to ensure everything is correct before submitting by clicking Submit Request. An email confirmation will be sent to you shortly after. To keep track of the refund status, you can check the billing section and then payment history on your H-Panel. A couple of important notes to bear in mind. Refunds are not available for products purchased using cryptocurrencies, tokens, or digital assets, and the refund request, once made, cannot be reversed. This means all your data will be permanently lost, so ensure you've made adequate backups. If your payment method doesn't support direct refunds, you'll need to provide an alternative method to process your refund. With these steps, you can efficiently manage your subscription cancellation and refund request with Hostinger. Thank you for watching, and if you have questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to Hostinger's support team.